Hi everybody, this is BK's YouTube channel. In case you're new here, please consider subscribing, like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell for post notification. And I'm bringing you this amazing video of Dubai Creek, guys. Please enjoy and watch the full video. So guys, Dubai Creek is a natural saltwater lake, Tyndall Inlet, and watercourse or waterway in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It extends 9 miles inwards and forms a natural port that has traditionally been used for trade and transport. So guys, if you want to cross across both Dubai and Deira, you need to use a traditional boat called Abra. Okay, it's traditional, so Dubai has really done its best to keep their traditions. And guys, watch and enjoy, keep enjoying. So guys, what is so special about Dubai Creek? So not only is it's the Emirates' first major port, but also is full of historical significance. Dubai Creek has served as a safe harbor to trade along with other ports of Arabian Gulf. The creek split ground in the 1950s to form a small canal. The Greeks used to refer to Dubai Creek as River Zara. So guys, what is the main tourist attractions that can be found in Dubai Creek? One, it's in Deira's old Souk Abra station, Shiva Temple, Textile Souk, Grand Bar Dubai Masjid, Dubai Museum, and all that. There is so many, guys. So when you visit one day, you will find by yourself. So yeah, that's all for now.
Cantiknya buat bibirku tak berhenti tersenyum. Akhirnya ku menemukanmu, jawaban dari setiap harapku, yang tulus menerimaku dengan segala cantiknya